Good morning to one and all. My name is Somesh and I am from EC branch D section. Today's topic about application of vector differentiation and vector operators. What is meant by vector differentiation? The derivative of a vector valued function can be understood to be an instantaneous rate of change as well. For example, when the function represents the position of an object at a given point in time, the derivative represents its velocity at the same point in time. There will be also a derivative, that is, let f be a vector function on an interval I and a belongs to I, then limit tends t to a f of t minus f of a divided by t minus a. If exists, it is called derivative of f at a, and their properties d by dt of a plus or minus b is equals to dA by dt plus dB by dt, and second property d by dt of a dot b is equals to dA by dt into b plus dB by dt dot a. Third property d by dt of a bar cross b bar is equals to dA by dt into b plus a into dB by dt. What are the basic rules of differentiation? The sum rule says that derivative of a sum of functions is the sum of their derivatives. The difference rule says the derivative of a difference of functions is the difference of their derivatives. Applications of vector differentiation. Actually, vector differentiation is nothing but it is a part in vector calculus. So this we have to have some similar applications. Vector calculus plays an important role in differential geometry and in the study of partial differential equations. It is used extensively in physics and engineering, especially in the description of electromagnetic fields, gravitational fields, and fluid flow. The main application of vector differentiation is there are two types: function many variables to many variables. Another one is many variables to single variable. Apply stresses to an object, the result is strains. The stresses are three-dimensional and so are the strains. Differentiation of the stresses in one particular dimension results in strains in three dimensions. This generates the stress strain tensor. The cost of a airline flight depends on speed of travel, path of travel, passenger load, external wind forces, humidity, elevation, and more. Differentiation between with respect to any of the variable yields the marginal cost of making changes. There are some of applications of vector differentiation. These are what is meant by vector operator. A vector operator is a differential operator used in vector calculus. Vector operators are defined in terms of del and include the gradient, divergence, and curl. The Laplacian is vector operators must always come right before the scalar field or vector field on which they operate in order to produce a result. There are two types of vector operators. They are del operator, D'Alembert operator. Now you can see the del operator or nabla. Del operator can also be pronounced as nabla. Del or nabla is an operator used in mathematics, particularly in vector calculus, as a vector differential operator, usually represented by the nabla symbol delta. When applied to a function defined on a one-dimensional domain, it denotes the standard derivative of the function as defined in calculus. When applied to a field, a function defined on a multi-dimensional domain, it may denote any one of three operators depending on the way it is applied: the gradient or steepest slope of a scalar field, as in the Navier-Stokes, the divergence of a vector field, or the curl of a vector field. The following figure is the del operator represented by the nabla symbol. Applications of vector operator. This operator is used to define the gradient of a scalar function, divergence of a vector function, or curl of a vector function. Scalar field. Whatever field is considered physical property is associated with each point of that field. Del or nabla is an operator used in mathematics, particularly in vector calculus, as a vector differential operator, usually represented by the nabla symbol del. When applied to a function defined on a one-dimensional domain, it denotes the standard derivative of the function as defined in calculus. Thank you.